If you take selfies, video calls or film vlogs on your iPhone, you need to see this. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a revolutionary new front camera feature called Center Stage, and it changes everything. In this video, I will show you exactly what Center Stage is, how it works, its incredible benefits, and how to take full control of it. Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya, you're watching Aishwarya Live Tech. Let's get started. The iPhone 17 Pro Max or any of the iPhone from 17 series comes equipped with a brand new 18 megapixel center stage front camera. The secret is the new square sensor design. Unlike traditional rectangular sensors, this square shape captures much more image data. This gives the phone flexibility in framing and composition without sacrificing quality. Center Stage uses this hardware combined with intelligent software to automatically rotate and zoom the frame to always give you the perfect shot. Now let's see how to use this Center Stage front camera. Using the Center Stage camera is simple. Open your camera app, switch to the selfie camera, and you will see the Center Stage icon. It looks like a person's profile within a frame. If it's yellow, it means it is active. Tap on that icon and you will see auto zoom and auto rotate, both the things are on. Center Stage can zoom and rotate to fit in everyone. So let's try clicking a picture. So as I don't have people with me, I will try to take this soft toy and let's see whether this Center Stage works. I don't think so it will work because it is not a person. Okay. It's not working even if I try to. Okay, let's take a picture. What if you want more control? You can easily override the automatic functions. Just tap the manual zoom icon, the arrows pointing in and out to adjust the field of view. You can see the message Center Stage is off. To manually force the rotation, just tap the small orientation icon in viewfinder. Now you can shoot videos in landscape mode. Now this is landscape orientation. You can click selfies, shoot videos in this orientation. So this is how you can control rotation and zoom manually. Now there might be times you want a personal selfie, but Center Stage tries to expand for someone in the background. Here's how to stop it. To disable the auto rotate, tap the yellow Center Stage icon if it's turned on and then toggle off next to auto rotate. Now you can control the orientation completely. To turn off the dynamic zooming, tap the yellow Center Stage icon again and toggle off the auto zoom button. You can use the manual zoom button to frame your shot exactly how you want it. Now FaceTime integration. It's not just for photos and videos. Center Stage works automatically during FaceTime calls, ensuring your face remains perfectly centered even if you move around the room. This feature is seamless for video communication. Now let's talk about some benefits. Center Stage is so smart that it completely eliminates the need to physically rotate your phone. If you are shooting a quick clip in vertical orientation but switch to wide for a group, the camera automatically switches to horizontal for you. When you are taking a solo selfie, the camera automatically keeps the frame tight for you. As friends step in the frame, the camera dynamically zooms and expands the view to include everyone, ensuring no one is cropped out. What do you think of the Center Stage? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.